the new government bathi ishitsonga, but I mean mchanga. Okay, without any waste of time, ngicela ukuthi I must humble myself with His Excellency uDokotela King Mrs. in his absentia, sithi bayede ngonyama. Yeah, so ngibulise His Excellency King Dalindyebo in his absence. Ngithi azwelibazi and all protocols observed. Ngifuna ukuthi ngithi bengithi ngizokhuluma isishanga sengibonile ukuthi hayi kunenkinga sho ukuthi ngiyokhuluma ngi-1, so ngithi hayi let me do favor yokuthi ngibambe lesizulu senu. I'm a short speaker, angihambi kakhulu. Spokesperson is a long speaker, mina I'm a short speaker. Ngicela ukuthi ngithi ngibulise awu umama uNdlunkulu abanye nani yabona I can choose. I don't know if she chose me or mina ngichoose yena, but I think eksala omunye uchoose omunye. Umnotho wa Rona Kingdom Trust, that's why in a S Kingdoms umsebenzi wayo usimple, is to unite, is to say enough is enough. I think other people, they don't understand when we are saying enough is enough. Because when you say enough is enough, which means we are fed up. If you understand the whole presentation, can we say all of us agree that is our fault? We left this thing for too long. We left it for too long. It's our fault. Singaya si blame siye kuphi, but at the end of the day, it's our fault. Sayiyekela lento le. The enemy came and strike because wabona ama gaps. Uthi labantu, they are not united. Remember, I always tell people ukuthi if ulambile, you can't think normally. Because at the end of the day, ucabanga ngesizo because ulambile. And the enemy used that against us. Ukuthi sikhona ukuhlupheka. You know, when they take you, bakwenza ukuthi wena you must be a consumer. When you are a consumer, you can't have anything. Mayifika imali ufanele uyibuyisele back. Mayingena uyibuyisela back. Awunama reserves. I can tell you with powerful business people, abantu abamnyama, they've never even, we don't have a sustainable businesses abathi le yomuntu omnyama except the tenderpreneurs. Asinayo lento le. So isizwe silambile. Bantwana bethu baba exploited because of makhosi. They've never bahlale to their role le kuthi bababekele yona ukuthi babe khona ukuthi bawondle isizwe sabo. Angazi ukuthi ngiyezwakala. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Amakhosi, they are not there to become bathi nithi old drops. Ukuhlala esigodlweni nje. And then people, they come and visit you and say abayede and balandi. Inkosi is designed ukuthi isizwe sakhe singalambi. He must make sure ukuthi isizwe sakhe is healed. But we left this thing for almost 30 years. It's our fault. Yeah, sure. And we need to agree, all of us, that that is our serious fault. But those who believe in the black book, because sometimes I don't. Sorry. But it says, God created heaven and earth. I think he used 5 days. Maga used 5 days, the 6th day was Zamina. That's what the book says. Kusho ukuthi le 5 days yonke le ubone ukuthi everything is enough ukuthi ingafida everybody that is emhlabeni. So why inequality khona? Can't you ask you that question? It's because of the system that all of us, we agreed. We are fine about the system because the system has been designed to manage the black person to become poor and to become consumers only. And we are fine about it, all of us. So, as I'm saying, enough is enough. We know this is a war because we are fighting the system. We are not fighting the government. We are not fighting people. We are not fighting anyone, but we are against the system. The system that says, when as a black man, I become a billionaire. Because the system is designed to 9 billionaires in South Africa as blacks. Which means if it goes at the 10th one, the system yam kika yam kahlela. That's why they have to bring the Hawks to investigate you. Uphume kanjani? Ufike kanjani ukuthi ufike la ufike khona. So all what I'm trying to say, human trafficking, it's our fault also. Because of abantwana balambile, baba exploited. The brothers, Baba is exploited. Because remember, she's powerless. Because ulambile lo muntu. Uzovuma konke, but if umntwana are healthy la, also understand that you know, but what is the point? Because in actual fact, imoto nginayo. Ekhaya ikona imoto masibafuna. You understand what I'm saying? So, but the system that has been designed, it designed ukuthi lo mntwana abe exploited. So, how do we change the system? That's why I always say, Bangas, Niti, there's a question that all of us we need to answer. But now the question again is that, how do you answer the question if you don't know what is the question? How do you answer it? Our government failed to answer the question because they don't know what is the question. Now you are saying the minerals. I mean, as I'm saying those things, it's ours as Makos. But you know what they did? They are saying only from Pezulula, Piofika 6 meters, then it's yours. You know what are they saying? They are trying to say, no, you as Inkosi, Nesizwe Sako, you only own graves. Aningizo. Ni own amatuna phe. An own umhlaba. Siyahamba sonke siphethe amaphepha. Hey umhlaba wami, umhlaba wami. Mara the law says only 6 meters. Anything below kuyale asukwakho, it's nothing, it's not yours. So in a way is that bakunike allowance only for the grave. Kuthi ningcwabane. So we need to change that narrative. We need to fight it and say enough is enough. Because even the laws that they've passed there, that agree to the laws. So, Amakosi, we are saying let us unite. Come, we must all of us be sober minded. Sibe sober ngoba sidakiwe manje. We must come, sibe sober as Makosi, and stand and say no. No ways. If really need be that we need to die for what belongs to us, let it be. Let it be. But izabe sife sazi ukuthi silwela into lefanele into yethu, our own thing. We are not apologetic about it. I'm saying, Makosi, if you don't unite, Tina, we are going further as Munotwaruna Kingdom Trust. Whoever that says, I'll be a puppet, carry on with you being a puppet. But Tina will stand firm. That's why we are calling upon the retired lawyers, retired judges to come and join Umnotowaruna Kingdom Trust if they feel that there's a need to change the narrative of this country. as makhosi, because we need law. Siyawuhlonipha umthetho, but sizohlonipha umthetho lokuthi nathi we are part of it. So I am saying ukuthi it's touching. It's touching. Last time I was fighting a very serious war, and all of us, we are very fine about it. Yakuthi futhi nibiza seninamagama nibiza abantwana bethu ngawo. Nithi maphara. Amaphara, uhambona amaphara. Uyinkosi uyana uyandlula. Bona iliphara. And is your subject. Your subject are dying and then you are fine because when you've got the roof where you are sleeping. You need comfort. I'm saying, Makosi, come out of your own comfort zone and fight abantu powerless. Because it's only Makosi that can change the narrative if they stand firm and unite. So I am saying, amapara lani babiza amapara, those are the subject yenkosi. Kubuhlungu. Because yambisana an exploitation of this thing. I went to another building in Pretoria. I fought. I was not sleeping every day going to that building and say, kunabantwana bethu abafile. Hambani yokhipha lamanzi la. I went to a police station from up, down, ngaya public works, down, konke ngibahlanganisi. Because of there was a need. Yokuthi we need to stop ukufa kabantwana bethu because today bafa para kunanda. It's wrong. We need to change all those things. Yes, the move of Paladin. I don't know. Babzindela mina ngiyabonga kakhulu strategist. Ngumzwebabiza a wrong position yakho. His position kumnotho warona Kingdom Trust is a strategist. And then Ubamshez is a CA, chief admin. So mshokuthi bengi correct ukuthi umnotho warona Kingdom Trust is partnered noZindela Pictures. Ngamazwa amanye, we are one. Sihamba sonke. Because we've got a reason. We've got a question to answer. Yoguti, even our stories are very diluted and contaminated. So Tina City, must you answer any documentary or any story about Abatembu? Let it be undiluted story. Even Sakinis. And I'm acting. What I am not even going back. And I'm not apologetic. Ngai strategist. Mfuna kubona if it's particular actor. NgakwaZulu. Aku-acte labantwana aku-promote labantwana balapho. Kube bona ba-actor le story leso akube bona ba-actor umlando wakibo. You understand what I'm trying? Makuthi kusekuba abathembu akube bona labantwana laba bona bale babitsa ngore ba sekhefetse. Ba ire ngore ba tlhape mos. Akere it's your responsibility. Abat ba tlhapiseng. Le ba actise mola. Then I will say we've got freedom. You can call it the way you want to call it. I mean that for me we don't have freedom. We don't have freedom. If you have freedom, good luck for you. Namara, I don't have freedom. The only thing that I have is just our fruits. We are carrying on with the colonizer, what he came with. We are only promoting it day by day, every day, and we are fine about it. Of course, I subclonid. Why? Because of Angita Skulu Mislunguti. Because today, when you speak English, fluent English, about Shakanpi. We keep a English. That's what we call it. So I'm saying, Mfunagoti Sibe Gemaji, Nyava, Saint Nitigini, Bandana Bekazi, not Warina, Kingdom Trust is here to fight for a black child and to liberate the black child. Bayet.